Yo, yo, yo. Yo. Hello, hello, hello. The mic don't be working sometimes. Hello. Nah, restart this. All right. Yo, I ain't really had the time to trade today, but we're gonna look at the market, see what was up. I looked at a couple of setups, but I ain't really had the time to sit down and lock in. But we always lock in by studying every day and getting 1% better, even if it's a 0.00001%. We're gonna get better. So today it won't like Monday. So Monday, as you can see, it was a rangy uptrend area, and then today was just downtrend, as you can see. Um, you have to switch it up. As you can see, we caught a lot of moves, a lot of fake outs on Monday. But Tuesday, usually Tuesdays, I always find the market going in this strong move on Tuesday. Then Wednesday, we probably could go back to the choppiness. Um, One thing I do want to do, as you can see, it was this gap. I forgot about this gap. That's why sometimes, and that's why I really ain't trade this morning. I really couldn't analyze the market. As you can see, we at this. So we go in we're kind of in this range and type market trend type shit. So the market always got different behaviors. You can't trade the same way. It's just gonna be either more losses or more wins. It depends on your strategy. If it's a trend trading, but you try to trade with the trend and can't get it, maybe you lose for that week. So you have to know when to analyze the market, when to get in, when to get out. So we got gold. So what I am noticing is a strong trend today, strong trend today. This is kind of like in this boom, boom, it breaks out, and then as you can see, this is like another, oh, like another area of support. So you see here, comes up, it comes out here. We think it's gonna come. It does, but comes all right. So it breaks out, comes back at the 50, comes here. Let's try this one right here. So okay, so if it breaks out right here, it comes here, breaks out, comes back, fly up down. That's a sell area, and it comes all the way down here. This would have been a better entry, but we tried to get here. I'm just tired of losing, bro. I don't even know what half of this is. Oh, man. I'm kind of tired. I ain't gonna lie. I don't have like 4 hours of sleep. I still got to lock in every day though. I promise I'll go live every day, and that's what I'll do. Even if you're tired, 4 hours of sleep. Today won't really a good day like yesterday. Today I really even trade today because I ain't even had time to analyze. Like I said, I ain't really had that much sleep, but that's really no excuse. But as you can see, we have areas where price always go down to the downside. So if it comes here, it usually goes here. Like it came here, it goes here, came here. Like I said, it don't happen majority of the time, but it did happen right here. Um, so it was really just sell today on US and NAS and then buy for gold. As you can see, I tried to sell. It just didn't work. And then for gold, I think it was everything was sell. So for sell, as you can see, I'm trying to sell with the trend. It came here. I try to really get it to here, but I'm like, all right, since I'm not really trading, let's try to find some profits, a little 1.8, and then it did probably wick you out. You get a bin retest, it goes down, you enter, never even hit take profit, but you could have re-entered here, test, retest, enter here, get to at least right here. If you want to play risky right here at most, but I would have took to right here at least. But that would have been at like a nice, like if we do this, so like from here, so probably like here from here. That's, I gotta flip it the other way. Why is it doing it this way? What the? So from here to here, comes out, breaks out, comes in, you enter right here. Once it comes up and it comes back down, enter, comes in, comes back down, you enter, and then we're boom. So that would have been a nice one right here, like this one. It comes, it comes, damn, what did it? It come out, it come here. I really should have just waited, but it never happens. But this one was a nice one right here. Could have put the stop loss right here, and then put the TP to right here, or to right here. Me, I probably would have put it right here. Nice 2.8. I probably only want to trade like 3 trades in one day. So I try to enter this one. Well, I didn't even enter nothing today. Yesterday was very good, and then today I was just super tired. Like I didn't want to. I wanted to analyze. So this today, well, as you can see, the price came here, it came to here, which it kind of did, but even on 1 minute, look at that wick. That's dangerous. Um, this is a area where price will go here to here. You can just see it. So price comes here, it comes here. It's free range. So free range is where price just automatically go to the next area. And free range is also good to find higher time frames because you could get a free range in a day. Like if you find free range, like this is what I'm gonna have to start doing. So free range on like a day is like where price comes from, like here. Like I'm gonna show you free range. Like look how much points it is though. Like so free range is probably something like if it never broke out from here and it comes to at least 50% of here, this is free range. So price will guarantee probably go up to here. So this is free range right here. It's not breaking support, free range. Probably not even that's probably like even lower than free range. So this is free range from what's wrong, girl? Huh? So I don't know what to do, bro. I don't even know what the fuck I'm looking for, bro. I don't. Oh, this shit is starting to get difficult, bro. I don't know what I'm looking for, bro. I don't know what I'm looking for. Expensive. Oh man. Woo. Let's see what today is talking about. So let's see. Let's just this away. So this is what today. All right, shit. We on Tuesday. So I got it on rewind. So let's see what Tuesday does. So 15. So what can I tell from here to here? This is kind of like a free range. I did this in the morning. So this is free range. So if it comes here, most likely you could find some setup here to go to up here. Somewhere like that. You can find some setup. This is Tuesday. We doing replays of Tuesday and from let's see, this is like a support area. As you can see, I'm just analyzing before analyzing from 15, 5 to 1. 7 o'clock. I don't really like this area too much. Let's see. We could do something like this area right here. So these is areas I like, to be honest. Then I probably go to the 5. Why would I want to see right here? It's some type of breakout. Some type of breakout from this. For some type of breakout. Uh, like I said, this is free range right here. Uh, because every time it comes here, it comes at least here. Every time it comes, or if it comes here, it comes here. If it comes here, it comes here. It comes here. Like it does it repetitively. So the market just like repeating itself. So what we doing is this. So if it comes here, we don't. This is not really a free range to me. But like I said, market is in a ranging area, so we just looking for the little breakout. So at 7 o'clock, let's see what it does. So all right, we wait. It's 1 minute. As you can see, we in this choppy mess. As you can see, that's why sometimes I like to analyze a little bit too first. Like I said, we have to wait. You have to be patient in the market. I didn't trade today, killed it Monday, but I wasn't in a good space to trade because I just didn't like how it really looked today. But like I said, over the years, you want to stay consistent. You want to stay key to what you know, and you just want to win. You just want to win and really just make money in a simple way you can. So what I did, boom, I was probably I did this 1 minute. It's breaking this range. I ain't gonna lie. I probably look for some type of, like I said, sometimes range in markets. Like I said, I would take this risk. Um, I probably would have looked for some type of buy power or something like this. So like if it comes here, boom, it comes here. All right, so boom, so say it comes here, it breaks here, it comes back, it comes here. I probably would have took this, to be honest. Probably would have took it. Like I think it does lose, depending. Maybe it probably would have just went down to here, but it probably would have lose, but you can't win them all. And look, it did lose. But like I said, I probably would have took something like this, probably. So boom, it loses, and look, it's probably going free fall to my next support area. Go down, I like it. So what I'm noticing now is this is free range. So what is free range? Free range is where price kind of goes. Look, it goes here to here, here to here, here to here. It keeps repeatedly doing that. So this is free range. So if it comes here, probably I don't know if the market moves today or tomorrow. If it comes here, I would look for some type of pattern here to fly up to this next support area. Like this is free range right here. I'm keeping this free range until tomorrow, or I can analyze where was free range the other days. So I'm looking at free range. So if I lost that one, I would have been completely done with gold because gold is kind of telling me it might still want to buy. It might still want to buy, but my buy bias was weak. And yeah, so I probably waited a little bit. And look, free range is probably gonna come back right back up to here. You see, as you can see, like I said, what free range is, price is going here to here, here to here, here to here. Like I said, you can get fake outs here, but you got to get some type of confirmation somewhere in here to enter. You got to get it somewhere in here, and probably as I'm looking at this one right here, it hits here. Let's see. It probably do. Let's see. It hits here. Hit here. I probably don't even want to buy though no more. Like it hits here. Boom, boom. It comes back. It comes back and hits here. Like I said, I really wouldn't want to enter this because they already wicked all the way up to this 2.17 and it hit our free will. So I probably wouldn't even enter that. That's nasty. So we wouldn't even enter that one. But as you can see, you try to find some type of price. You really try to find a free range in like a higher time frame. Like you see how this is free range. these free range areas, these is areas you kind of want to trade in because it's like guaranteed to at least go here. Like, I'm not saying it's gonna go here all the time, but it's guaranteed to go there. So what we doing? All right, it comes back here. You see this? It comes up, comes down, comes down again. So what you probably want to see is this. It breaks out, it breaks back down. You want to see bars through. It doesn't bars through, but you could make his bars through. Look how high, but it didn't bars through. Not showing you it want to go up. Look, you probably just closed. It would have been a nice 4 to 1, but it didn't bars through. We didn't have buyers. It's gone. As you can see, it just kept selling. So as you can see, I'm going a 15-minute now. So the next point it broke out to is kind of here. I marked it up from yesterday. It probably goes to here. Well, it comes back down. What I'm noticing is right here is free range, another free range area. You can probably sell at. So if it comes here, it comes here because it does it repetitively. So free range. What time is it? 10:40. This is another free range area though. Look how much free range is this. So look, I'm telling you. So look. So this would probably would have been the best free range alive. Look how it goes right there. Boom. That's free range. This would have been free range too. So either or would have been free range. You could have probably got something from here to here. It wicks up. It comes back down. It smashes through again. So this would have been a good entry. Had a good. This would have been a good TP somewhere around here. This 1.4 area. This free range area probably could have wick, tapped that, and probably went back up. But that's the risk you got to take sometimes. And yeah, that's what I seen from gold. That's what I see from gold. That's probably it. And with a 5 minute. What I'm seeing from here, that I can see hella buys tomorrow. So maybe. So I can see free range from here to here. To be honest, that's a long hold. That's a long hold, but that's a good free range area, low key from here to here. In all honesty, that would be perfect. That would be nice. That would be so perfect. So what I'm looking for is something like this tomorrow. I'm not saying it can go down, but it can. 30. I don't even know which way this shit is going, low key. I don't know which way this shit is going. I'm not gonna front with you. So I think bars, to be in all honesty. Free range.